Hello and welcome back to FBAmultitool. Today I'm going to cover how to export to Google Sheets. Now before we begin, there's a few things we need to make sure you have done. First, at the top right up here, you need to make sure you're logged into the browser. Okay, the actual physical browser, Google Chrome browser. You need to make sure you are logged into that. And the account you're logged into the browser with is the same account you are logged in to your Google account. Okay, so they both need to be the same. So this account that you're logged into here, your Google Sheets account, has to be the same account you're logged into in your browser at the top there. Okay, so that's the first really important step, to make sure your Google account and your browser Google account is both the same account logged in. Okay, so jump over to your Google Sheets page and grab the URL at the top, copy the URL, and then go into your FBAmultitool settings. Go down to settings, export, and here where you see Google Sheets URL, you want to paste this into here and leave that there. That's fine. Here you got Google Sheets tab name. Now if you've only got one tab, okay, so like this sheet here, I've only got one tab, you would leave that blank. Okay, so for me, leave that blank. If you've got multiple tabs and you want to export to a certain tab within that sheet, then you would enter the name here, but you have to make sure that name is identical and the capital letters are in the same place, otherwise it will not work. Make sure there's no space at the start either. That will also stop it from working. So next thing you want to do is arrange the order of what you want to export, the data you want to export down here. So order it how you like, and then scroll down to the bottom and click save. Okay, so once you've saved that, head back to the main app and calculate your first product. Scroll down to the export section here. You can move this up if you want, because you can rearrange all these. So if you want this higher up, you can actually move this to the top. Enter the store URL. I'm just going to type in argos.com, and then you'd hit this button here and export. Okay, for me this is exported straight away and it should go straight to this sheet here. Yep. For you, if it's the first time you're doing this, you're going to get this pop up. Okay, when you see this pop up, you have to make sure you press allow. If you do not press allow, again, the export function will not work. If you've missed this part or skipped this part, I suggest you reinstall FBAmultitool and try and get Google to show that prompt again, because that's Google authorizing you to actually allow us to send that data to Google Sheets. Okay, so once that's allowed, you'll be able to use it freely every time, and you won't have to allow that setting again. And that's pretty much it. The export feature will work for you every time. If you change your Google Sheets URL, you make a new Google Sheets, make sure you change the URL in the settings. But yes, it really is that simple. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.